Guys, who knows what dry ice is? Decided to make some videos with dry ice, so that is why I have this special box here today. Let's open it. In fact, it is not ice at all, just a name. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide. It is used primarily for cooling different objects, and another cool thing about it is that it has only two forms, a solid and a gas, no liquid like the real ice has. Do you think that if dry ice is brought to something very hot, then it will start to evaporate or melt? Now I will show you that this is not like that at all. So have this metal ball that I gonna use to show you. And let's start. Let's make it glowing hot. The ball is completely red, so let's do that. Ready? Guys, everything as I said. Dry ice does not pay attention to this hot glowing ball. It seems that the ice froze the ball. Even after 5 minutes, the ball did not reach the bottom of this container. And if some of you think that the ball is cold, then see what happens if I pour a little water on it. See, the ball is still hot. Just look at this. That's what we've got after almost 2 hours. Just for you to compare, I want to show you what will happen if such a ball is put on ordinary ice. Just look carefully, it will be very fast. Guys, do you want more experiments with dry ice? Tell me. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.